Alright everybody, my name's Noah Heiser and I'm going to be your guide today. It's a big. Oh. Yep. Yeah. Ready? Oh. That was a big one. Nice, dude. Okay. You doing that or not? I'm gonna do it. Ready?
Want me to get you?
I'll get it. Alright, here we go. Should have got Nick on, my bad. That's actually kind of a good jump. Whew. Got one, Nick. Oh, that was huge. All right, Nick. He's flying. Oh. Scared me. Oh, we gotta get back to where the lift is. This is the cliff. That's the. Hey, that's the tree I flipped over.
Huh?
Right there. That's our the tree I flipped over.
Yes, it is.
Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be going back down the mountain. As soon as I unbury my snowboard from the.
That's where you got lost.
I'm going down that. We gotta get some momentum. A big rock. You okay?
Rolling. At least I can see people.
Yep.
Look at this.
Oh shit. Dude, this is fucked. We gotta walk.
Don't follow me.
No, we gotta get over.
Yeah. Just keep going left.
Right.
Right.
That's where we had to walk from. Dog? I guess we're alright.
Big rock.
Alright. Yo, I almost sent that. I'd have been fucking dead. These are all rocks, dude.
Can you get out of that?
Uh,
Go left or right. No, yeah, left.
I'm just gonna.
Ready? I'm going under this big ass rock.
Yeah. Oh. That's a rock right here. There you go. You good?
I'm great.
Oh look, no. What?
We gotta quit doing that.
I told you just get out. All right. If there's any damage on our boards, it's probably from that. Yep. You want to hit? Hey, you want me to hit that rock that we've been looking at? It's right next to that sign.
Yeah, I'll get you, but let's stay on the left side for a second and then cut hard right. It's really good. It's a good landing. You're good. You're good. Clean landing.